Shocka on the beats. 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 Shocka on the beats.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Shocka252 bring you another video. Today's video is the giveaway video. That I was going to do a 1K subscriber giveaway, and before I jump into that, this is going to be a short. I'm gonna try to make this video as short as possible. I don't want to drag it out at all. First off, I want to thank everybody that recently subscribed to the channel. I really do appreciate you guys, because my subscriber number went up, and that's awesome, man. But I want to give back. I want to give something back to the subscribers, just my subscribers, period. I was gonna do one drawing, random select in the comments, and do just one winner. But like I said, I was just gonna stick to the script like I've done before. I've usually picked 3 winners, so I ended up doing that. So I'm gonna stick to the game plan. So I'm gonna do three winners. So basically, in this video in particular, all you have to do is comment below. If you own a Mopar, give me a description of the Mopar that you own. And also, matter of fact, let's do this. Let's make it even better. So everybody gets to shine. When you describe the type of vehicle that you have, like I said, if I had 2017 Dodge Charger Scat Pack, copy the link to your YouTube channel in the comment section and then put hashtag Mopar Savages. How about that? Let's do that. Then that way, all the other people that happen to come by, they can actually click on your YouTube video to give you some views. You know what I mean? To check out your content. And I'll do the same. If I'm not following you, or if I'm not a subscriber of yours, if I notice if it's a name I don't recognize, I'll click on your YouTube link and I can check out your content. So let's do that, man. Let's keep it going. I like to pay it forward. You know what I'm saying? So give a description of your vehicle, paste a link to your YouTube channel if you have one. If you have content, whatever, even your Instagram. If you have a Mopar vehicle and you don't have any content on YouTube, post your IG name, handle, or whatever, and then put hashtag Mopar Savages. Too easy. But this video in particular, this is all I got. Good luck to you guys, and I'll say let's say the 15th. Let's do the drawing on the 15th. That's I don't know why the 15th is sticking out in my head. So comment below. Hopefully that's enough time to get the comments going. But by January 15th, 16th, however it's going to be, I think 15th, 16th, I'll drop a video and I'll actually pull it up on my monitor and do the random select, and I'll pick 3 winners. And I won't tell you exactly what the gifts are just yet, but I'll select 3 winners, and that's all I got, guys. I really like, once again, before I close out the video, I really thank everybody for coming through. Good or bad comments, it's all good, because just like I have a right to my opinion, you have a right to yours, and it's all good. That's what it's all about. We just, it is what it is. So I'm not gonna, that's just what it is. Everybody has an opinion, So anyway, if you haven't already, please subscribe, comment below, let me know what you want to see in the future. But this is the giveaway video. Description of your Mopar, paste your YouTube or IG link, and hashtag Mopar Savages. All right. And tomorrow, damn, I keep thinking of stuff. Tomorrow, I'm linking up with the Savages. We're having our first official meet of the first official meet of 2019. And luckily, man, here in Kentucky, man, there has not been any snow. That's been crazy like it was last year, thank God. So we're gonna link up and hopefully I can get some really good footage. The weather's supposed to be pretty decent. So finally, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. All right, peace.